But we had HCLTech that reported their numbers post-market hours. What were the numbers looking like this time? AI revenue, that's coming as well, Reema. So that is something exciting now we're watching out for. But over to Reema to give us more details on that front. Reema, good morning.
Hi, good morning. So let's first start with the numbers. Revenue and margins for HCLTech have come in better than expectations. The company's top line has gone up by 2.4% on a quarter-on-quarter basis. This versus expectations of a 1.5% increase, and it comes in on the back of 2 consecutive quarters where the revenue had declined. EBIT margins for the company have also expanded by 110 basis points at 17.4%, again ahead of estimates of 17.1%. The deal wins have also been strong. If you remember, last quarter, deal wins were subdued, and the company had said that there were 2 large deal wins which got deferred into Q2, which is why this quarter's number is looking good at $2.5 billion. But in the press conference, the company also said Q3 deal wins will also be very strong. Now, on the overall FY26 guidance, the overall revenue guidance remains unchanged at 3 to 5%. But now the company breaks up this revenue into services and products. And on services, they've tightened the band. So now they're saying that it will be 4 to 5% versus their earlier 3 to 5%. Margin guidance for the full year remains unchanged at 17 to 18%. But you know what's also very interesting, as you pointed out, is that there is, a quantification of the AI revenue. And this is not standard AI because AI is applied everywhere. They're talking about advanced AI, data analytics, and HCLTech has become the first Indian IT companies to report standalone advanced AI revenue. And this quarter, the company says it stands at $100 million. So just the fact that it's now become mature enough for it to warrant a separate reporting line, that AI is now moving from pilot to project state, and that the Indian companies are also quantifying it, I think is a healthy sign in terms of overall disclosures and where AI is in the overall, AI revenue, where AI has reached. And Accenture already used to do that. But now HCL becomes the first Indian, headquartered services company to do that.
Okay, Reema, thank you so much for that. We're going to be surely watching out for other IT companies that will be reporting their numbers today. But HCLTech, that's the one you should keep an eye out on as well today.